Yo, yo, King Spikes, Canon represent.
Mentally.
We talk about Infinite, I mean, I say, yo.
Big
style music.
inspirational.
We said that we are talking about Ian Taylor. Remember about
Forever.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Big Style TV. You don't know this is Big Style. Big up to all of my viewers and subscribers. If you're not yet subscribe to the channel now and make sure you hit that notification bell. Well, go on. So you're doing. You know what time it is. Right now, me and the people them reason. We are talk about Jamaica. What go on in the dancehall and not even just in the dancehall thing, but yo people, you don't realize that no black woman not there again. You don't realize that yo me say this bleaching thing turn up so loud till yo. You remember Buju Banton sing the song saying loving blackening? Yo me say a be a bleaching thing a go on. All some girl with dark. Yo, the girl them white like chalk. If you look on them picture last year and look back on it this year, you can't know say the girl them. How really how the woman them not love themselves no more. All the woman them were brown a bleach. Yo, we don't see I set them a setting up. Eh? You remember the song we said, me love me African princess. I make me love her them exist. Yo, me say I be a bleaching a go on, you know what? Because no roots, the artists them now sing no more culture song. Nobody now listen to the culture music them. Everybody just start do. You know see all a be a false woman about. When you look all maga woman have big body, big out. Everybody start do this breast implant, this belly implant, this body, leg. Yo, how we really are going? You know see cancer kill off everybody. Let me tell you something. You no need to stop it. Why you think so much people have cancer and all of them something there? Me I tell you say man, no black girl no day about again a be a browning. And when me say them a bleach till, yo them turn pink, the whole of them melody out of them skin gone completely. John was star. One night time, I be a false ear and woman them a cut off them ear. Now the people them move from false ear to false bottom, false breast, false hip. Yo, John know. Yo, me no know when this a go stop though, but big man thing, the artists them need to start sing about this. The bloggers them to come out of people business. These are the things we need to talk about. We don't realize how we lose a woman. Eh? A be a falseness a go on, a be a bleaching and why me I tell you? It's like nobody no love. You know say I love when they no love on herself? When no love on herself. Yo, do you know people wanna leave a message in leave a message in the inbox for me and tell me what you think about it. Tell me what you think about what really a go on. Cause me no like what go on. And be honest. You don't know, big up on yourself. This is King Spikes from Big Style TV. One love, one link. Heart road.